So, no turkeys. First spot was a bust, but gotta go hit up another spot.
Okay, here's today's look. She's neutral. He's calling. There he is. He's calling for a bird. Let's hope he hears one. So he'll be happy. We're calling. Here he goes again. Oh, we're clucking. Alright. Peace out, my dudes. Oh, sorry, I almost cut my finger off. Cutting a potato. Bye.
So, it is the first Monday of PA season. Finally got a bird roost. This one, right before dark, like last light, went up. Hooted, heard this faint gobble off the top of this hill. And then for a long hike where I'm parking at. Yeah, hopefully we get into him, get on him. I'm gonna get in early and just set up this little meadow. I think he's close by, if not right on top of it. So, 20 minutes to get ready and get going. I'd like to be where I want to be pretty early. So, stay tuned. We just got to our spot. Where his bird's at and where I park at. It's not bad, but I gotta be there way before light and set up because I don't know exactly where he's at. Yeah, hopefully he's where I'm thinking he's at, and I set up and I just wait because hey, that'd be nice. But then it'd be kind of upsetting because where I'm setting up is where I'd set up with a bow. But that's why I brought the shotgun. Is if he's not there, I can run and gun on him and bounce around with him. He's gonna have hens. He has a lot of hens here. I don't know if I want to say there's more gobblers with him. They're just keeping shut. So I'm hoping he's not the only gobbler in there. Maybe I can call one of the satellite birds off. If he's longbeard, I'll take him, and then come back in there, or take the guy that's gobbling once in a while when I do hear him, and then come back in for a satellite bird with a bow or something. So we're gonna get after him, and hopefully they want to play today. Alrighty. Thanks, Dad. Love you. Oh my God. It's a 2-year-old, but he's the one that came in strutting. Oh my God. The other ones, they kept coming in and out of strutting. They were staying in the back. And I didn't know if they were going to work their way in the left where the decoys were at. So that's why I switched left-handed. I had to pull the camera over and got it right on him. And that's when I touched it off and he went down. There's at least, I think, one other bird. I think there was 2 more, but they were staying in the back. And they'd come in strutting and come out. But this guy was the one that was, I'm guessing, doing all the talking. And oh my God. I think they pitched down first. The gobblers pitched down first. I saw a big bird come down. It's a drop off right over where they were. I saw a big bird come down. And oh my God, I'm shaking. And all of a sudden, all these other birds started coming down. It was the hens. And sure enough, I just started seeing a white head. And I saw another one. As I saw the white head, I saw the fan come up. I'm like, oh man, it's coming. It's coming. I might have shot his fan a little bit. He was in full strut when I shot. But I mean, he was all, there's all these hens, and that was the first opening I had at him. But yeah, I definitely hit his fan a couple times. But there we go. That's my first tag punch. There's another bird in here that man, hopefully he sticks around. I guarantee he'll move off, but he'll be close. He's got maybe an 8-inch beard. He's definitely a 2-year-old, but he was the dominant one. All the other guys, he can't see him in the video because they stayed over the bank. They were strutting, but they stayed just where you couldn't see. And he came up, and he's the one that was pushing him off. And so what I figured where my setup is this little open decoys right over here to my right, and where they were, maybe he could have seen them, maybe not. I don't know, or else it didn't take them off to come over and check out the Jake with the hen. But so there's hens about 50 yards away. I'm assuming he was about 60 or 70 yards when he was gobbling this morning. But he was close. Just up on the top of this hill. It roosted right on the edge. And that field's kind of down in the bottom, way down there, about just under 300 yards. And so when they start going that way, even if they were going to come back out this way, they were going to be so close I couldn't move the camera. Like they were going to be, I'm going to pace off where I shot him. I'm guessing he was about 30 yards. But where he was at is probably 30 yards. The hen were another 5 to 10 yards closer. Like they were just close behind a clump of trees you couldn't see. Like it just happened to be, there's probably like 6 or 7 hens maybe. I know there was 8. I saw 8 here before in the field down there. So I don't know if it was all 8 of them, but they all happened to be in one clump right behind the trees, so I could like get everything over. And he had his attention on them, and luckily. And so I just watched the shot. Yeah, you kind of don't see him tip over, but you see some flopping, and then it tips over because I take off running. Because he started, he managed to get a couple yards down the hill a little bit before I got to him. I think he's dead on his feet. He's just flopping. So, but it's a nice 2-year-old bird, 1/2-inch spurs, 8-inch beard, and it's the first Monday of the season. That's awesome. Yes, it's awesome. We got it done. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and stick with it. We've got 3 birds down this season. We've got plenty of tags left, so stick with us.